I'm Amber Murphy, and this is mostly for my biology class, but anybody can watch it. It's pretty cool. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to extract DNA from strawberries, and it's really cool. And if you haven't noticed, I'm outside because it's a wonderful, nice day, but of course there are cars that drive around my road, so you might hear a car. And my daughter, Sophia, is my camera woman, so she's holding the iPad, so that way this will work. Alright, what we do is we have to take the green parts off the strawberries, and we put it, now this I've got a fancy mortar and pestle, but you could use a plastic bag, and you just take and you smash the strawberry. Now if you're using a plastic bag, like a baggie, you're going to want to do it for like at least 2 minutes or so, but I can really get in here and grind the strawberry up really well with my mortar and pestle, so I'm not going to do it that long. Alright, and then it's getting nice and like ground up in there. Right. Now in this here, which I forgot to grab the dish soap to show you, I have rubbing alcohol, which we'll use later, salt, and then here's water and dish soap. So you only need about a teaspoon of the salt and 2 teaspoons of dish soap and then a half a cup of water. And what we're going to do is we're going to put a teaspoon of our solution. We're going to use 2 of them into our mashed strawberries, and then you're going to just carefully mix them. You don't want to make soap bubbles because that's not going to work. Or I like to say that dog ate my hunt. Get it good and mixed in, and if you're using a baggie, you're going to want to do this for another 2 minutes very gently. Alright. Now this next step, it can be quite tricky. And if you don't do it gently, you will basically explode the filter and you'll have to start over. I did that already once or twice. But you use a coffee filter, and you're going to pour your concoction into it without making a huge mess. It's probably a good idea I'm doing this outside. Anyway. And then you're just going to carefully filter it out. See all that's coming out nice. But you got to do it gently or you'll rupture your filter. And it's not a good time. This actually smells really good. Oh, see, it's starting to rupture, but I've got enough in here, so I don't have to worry about it. Now, as far as the rubbing alcohol goes, you're going to put about the same amount in alcohol as you have in your dish. Now, I'm going to tilt this so that way I'm not mixing it up, because you want the alcohol to sit on top, because it is less dense than the strawberry mixture underneath, so you want to see the separation. Very gently turn it. Patience is always a good thing with science. And that's probably plenty. Now, if you look at it, you can see the separation, hopefully. Can you see the separation, Sophie?
Yeah.
Oh, now we got one. Yay. Now zoom it, look in real close on that. You see that stuff that's starting to separate?
Yeah.
It's like, what does it look like?
Like white snot.
Yes. And I've got one that I've already let sit for a while, because you want to let it sit until it's nice and fully separated. But you could actually scoop out the DNA, and that's what it looks like. It seriously looks like snot. And that is real DNA right there. Real strawberry DNA that we separated out of the fruit. or the berry, I should say. It's so gross looking. But this works really well with strawberries because strawberries have about twice the amount of DNA in it compared to other fruits or berries, so it works really well. Oh gosh, this is gross. See, this one's working as well. That is grade A DNA right there. All right, you can stop it.